This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Render versus Deft. We'll dive into the core differences between these two approaches to deploying and managing your applications. Render provides a streamlined, fully managed cloud experience, while Deft embodies a more hands-on, customizable strategy. Our goal is to help you understand the key distinctions, focusing on aspects like operational complexity, adaptability, and financial considerations, so you can confidently choose the optimal path for your development needs. Render excels in providing a seamless, managed cloud experience. It automates many deployment tasks, from continuous integration to global content delivery, saving developers significant time. With integrated services like PostgreSQL and Redis, plus features like cron jobs and private networking, it's a comprehensive platform. Scaling your applications up or down is incredibly easy, often requiring just a few clicks, and it even offers a free tier for getting started with smaller projects. On the other hand, Deft represents a philosophy of maximum control and customization. This approach grants you full command over every aspect of your infrastructure, allowing for highly tailored and optimized environments. For teams with deep expertise, this can translate into potentially lower operational costs and the ability to craft truly unique setups. It offers unparalleled flexibility, making it ideal for projects with very specific or complex architectural requirements that might not fit standard managed offerings. So, which is better? The answer truly depends on your specific needs. Render is an excellent choice for teams prioritizing speed, ease of use, and reduced operational burden, especially for web services and APIs. Conversely, Deft shines when your project demands intricate customization, granular control over infrastructure, and you have the expertise to manage it. Carefully consider your team's technical capabilities, the complexity of your application, and your long-term scaling and maintenance strategy to make the most informed decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.